Royal Cyber, a certified Salesforce Agentforce implementation partner, introduces Cyber Agent, an industry-specific solution tailored for the manufacturing sector. Powered by Salesforce Agentforce, Cyber Agent have access to real-time information from Salesforce connected systems, and with the help of Salesforce Data Cloud and Gen AI, it generates accurate, precise, and personalized information that customers can rely on. Cyber Agent transforms how manufacturers serve their direct customer, tackling everything from product recommendations, troubleshooting product, part upgrades, warranty claims, and finding compatible parts. It's your all-in-one solution for delivering seamless, world-class service to your customers. Let's look at how Cyber Agent is helping a drone manufacturer serve their customers. Searching for a specific product? Cyber Agent has you covered. Just tell the agent what you are looking for in a natural language, and it will find the best fit for you in seconds. Got a problem with your product? Cyber Agent helps customer troubleshoot product problem in a human-like conversation and guide users step-by-step to fix the problem so they can get back using the product they love. Cyber Agent pulls troubleshooting information from companies' website and knowledge base. Looking to upgrade a specific part? Cyber Agent simplifies part upgrades with recommendations that are compatible with your product, saving customers time and speeding up purchase process. Warranty claims? No problem. Cyber Agent guides you through the process, from verifying coverage to connecting with support, ensuring replacements or repairs are handled smoothly and efficiently. Royal Cyber's Cyber Agent is revolutionizing how manufacturers serve their direct customers. Deliver exceptional service, streamline operations, and drive growth with AI-powered precision. Take your manufacturing operations to the next level with Cyber Agent. Contact Royal Cyber today and experience the future of intelligent customer engagement.